In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund someone on Etsy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to issue a full or partial refund for any order in your shop manager. And you will be able to do this in two main ways. So first, to refund an order, what you can do is go over to the shop manager on Etsy.com, and once you are inside of the shop manager, choose the orders and shipping category at the left side of the screen. Now, once you find a specific order that you would like to refund, you will be able to click on the order to see its status, or alternatively, click the three-dot icon next to the order. Usually, when you click a specific order related to a customer, you will see more options, and if you click the three dots or something related to more actions in that order, you will be able to find the refund option. So, you will only be able to initiate a refund if you see this option under More Actions. So choose Refund, and you will be redirected to another page. In the other page, you have to choose one of the available reasons to issue this refund. So choose whichever one better suits your case. Usually, you can talk with the customer to reach an agreement, and there is going to be an option if both of you agree to cancel or refund this order. So click that option or whichever one fits the description of your current situation better, and then an optional message to the buyer. If you want to refund the entire transaction, choose the box by Issue a Full Refund, and if you want to do a partial refund, enter the amount to refund next to the item. This way, you will be able to choose between full or partial, review the refund, and then submit. Be sure to cancel the order if needed. Canceling is going to be separate from refunding, so after this process is done, if needed to cancel this order, go back into Orders and Shipping and once again click the three dots next to any order. You will then find the option to cancel. So this is going to be useful in different cases, and if you need to cancel the order, just click the cancel option, specify the reason, you will see the original amount of the order and any included amount that is going to be refunded if there is a remaining amount, and then you can go ahead and proceed to get it refunded and canceled. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund someone on Etsy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.